Welcome. Now I can show you how to enable or how to disable auto lock on when attacking on Wukong game. So turning this on could be helpful if you frequently forget to manually lock onto enemies. It ensures that your attacks are always focused on a specific target. So of course it can improve accuracy during combat. So, to change this setting, open settings of course, then here you have left panel, and this is gameplay option, so we should open gameplay. And here, as you can see, we have auto lock on when attacking, so enable it or disable. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.